Hello everyone, welcome to Placement Hub. Today we are going to write a code to check whether the given strings are anagram or not. So I'll be using the concept of character frequency to write this code, and let's get started. First let me create a class. Name it Anagrams. So let me import scanner. And under the main method, let us enter two strings and a temporary variable called flag. So let's create instance from scanner class. And then input the two strings. Now let's check whether it's anagrams or not. So using the temporary variable, and using if condition. Simple. So now to create the function, just hover over it, and then let's create a method. And in this method I need two counter variables. First, so this is for the first string. Sorry. And this is similar to the character frequency code. And then variable C, which I will use in while loop. Let's get the length of the strings. So length of first string will be a dot length. Length of second string will be b dot length. So we need two while loops because we need to check both the strings. So similarly as before, let's say is less than length 1. So this is for the first string. In the while loop, first is a counter variable. So similarly, first of a dot character at C minus a plus plus. This I have explained in character frequency code. Then again reset the counter c equals 0 because I'll be using second while loop. And c is less than 2. Second is our counter variable for second string. So b dot character at c minus a plus plus and c plus plus. That's it. Here we are not checking like if it is greater than a and less than or equal to z. That you can add if you want. And then yeah, the final for loop from 0 to 26. So here we need to check if first of c, in the sense it counts all the uh, characters from the first string and how many times it repeated, and it equals with the second string. So that will be stored in first and second counter variables. So if it's not equal to, then we'll return 0, because in the main method only if flag is equal to 1 it is anagrams. So return 0 in the sense it's not anagrams. So if it's not equal to second of string, it means both are different strings, so it's not anagrams. And then here I need to change it to return 1, because if that condition fails, they are anagrams. So let me tell you what anagrams are. So let me run this output. So enter two strings. So hello, LLEOH. So here we can see that like H is repeated only once, E is repeated once, O is repeated once, L is repeated twice. In the second string, L is repeated twice, E, O and H is repeated once. So these two strings are anagrams. So for example, hello. So here in the second string there's no H, instead of that there's F, right? So it's not anagram. So that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day. Please do like, share and subscribe.